Welcome to the Wellness Healing Circle with Kelly, your sanctuary for holistic healing and personal growth. I'm Kelly, a certified energy healer specializing in Reiki, theta healing, Akashic records, and aura readings, and medical intuition. I'm dedicated to helping you heal and thrive in every aspect of your life. My mission is to support you in achieving mental, physical, and spiritual well being through tailored healing meditations. Whether you're seeking to improve your health, enhance your relationships, or deepen your spiritual journey, I'm here to guide you. In addition to healing sessions, I also provide live chats where we can connect and explore these topics together. So, subscribe to stay updated with the latest content and become part of our community of like minded individuals. At the Wellness Healing Circle with Kelly, I believe in the power of holistic healing to create lasting change. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock your full potential. You can subscribe now to be part of our community. Your path to a balanced, fulfilling life begins here. Thank you for being part of our healing circle. And let me know what you want and need so we can grow together. And be well.